Pro-Tec Design is a 100% employee-owned company, and our mission is to make our world a safer place. We do this by deploying technology in areas of video surveillance, access control, and intrusion. We design, consult, install, and service the systems. Like any small company, I don't think that we did marketing at all. We occasionally decided that we needed a new brochure and we needed a new website, and we struggled creating content. And as far as branding, I don't think that we ever really considered that. These random acts of marketing, that would have been Pro-Tec prior to us associating with authentic brand. We decided last year that we need to focus. We need a roadmap. We need somebody to help us on that road to creating a real marketing program at Pro-Tec. That's how we engaged the fractional CMO program. The person from Authentic Brand has been working with us since, I think, April of last year, and has created the roadmap for us to build on, created some of the content, started working on what we call the Pro-Tec experience. You know, we are really becoming known for the work we do and some of the stories we tell, and our brand is getting out there. The biggest benefit was getting people on board and understanding how important it is to tell our story and how important it is to build our brand. Hiring a professional like our fractional CMO, somebody who can actually sit at the table with the management team and lead us down the path of building a road, marketing road, is money very well spent. And if you commit to growth, and as a 100% employee-owned company, successful ESOPs commit to growth, then you do need the marketing and sales alignment, and also just to tell the story internally to your own people. So we continue to work on making our world a safer place.